Do you feel like Amazon is a puzzle and you're missing a few pieces to make it work? I have helped over 1,000 brands increase their sales on Amazon. And my name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. We have solved the missing piece of the puzzle on Amazon. It's the basics, PPC and SEO to improve the traffic. Then on the conversion rate, you need to improve the designs and all of the catalog, merchandising, and management that's required to sell on Amazon. It's very difficult these days. It's getting harder. Amazon PPC costs are going up. Amazon's rules are making it even harder to list a product, let alone file 100 tickets just to change your title sometimes. I understand these problems, and I've helped a lot of brands. One of the first brands that I helped 6.5 years ago couldn't get past $4,000 a month in sales on Amazon. I came in the first 90 days, grew their sales to $83,000 a month. Over the last 6.5 years, that client is still with me. My first client still with me 6.5 years later, and now they do over $1 million per month on Amazon. I helped them do that. I might be able to help you too. By the way, one of the fastest ways to grow your sales on Amazon is to improve your click-through rate, CTR. We call it our main image CTR hack. And this is where we would update the main image and we improve the keywords that are on the main image, the packaging. Sometimes we'll show the ingredients. Sometimes we'll show like if it's a supplement, we'll show the pills. If it's a soap, we'll show the scents. Make sure you can see all the ingredients that make that product. We found that when you do that, the click-through rate goes up. When the click-through rate goes up, so does the traffic. And ironically, so does the conversion rate. So those are all the important things that we've found to do that make sense. And sometimes on Amazon, there's like 1,000 things that you can do. And it's a little tricky to figure out which one I should do, right? There's so many things that you can do when you sell on Amazon. We cut through the thick of it. We make sure that we focus on those 2, 3, 4 core issues that improve sales on Amazon: PPC, SEO, design, and catalog work. It's really that simple. A lot of times people focus on the hacks. They have all the urgency. I got to do what's working today. But the problem with that is it doesn't work long term. You don't have the things that sustain a full ecosystem. Because I've been successful, I have been able to afford a beautiful home like this. And I have a lake that we walked by. And I have a pool. And I have a pool house. And I got a guest house. I don't share this to show off so much as to build credibility. You shouldn't hire a guy who can't grow his own company. Hire me because I've not only grown my own company, but I've grown it for thousands of other Amazon sellers. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. And if you'd like our help, click here and we will do anything we can to improve your sales on Amazon. We'll even give you a free 5-minute audit where we'll shoot a video, go into your Amazon listing, and give you some free advice. You got nothing to lose, right? Like, we're gonna do that for you whether you hire us or not. And I'm gonna go jump into the pool right now because it's blazing hot outside. If you want us to make your sales go blazing hot on Amazon, let us know.